Pattern Cityscape. Materials: construction paper, magazines, newspapers, glue stick, scissors to use with the grown-ups' help, ruler, permanent marker. Optional materials: crayons, chalk. To make a pattern cityscape, look through old magazines and newspapers to find interesting patterns. Cut them out as different sized rectangles. In art, a pattern is the repetition of a visual element like line, shape, or color. Patterns are all around us. Once you have enough cut-out rectangles, arrange them on a piece of construction paper. The rectangles can overlap to make an interesting scene. When you are happy with the arrangement, glue them down on the paper. With a ruler and permanent marker, go back over the rectangles and add windows to make them appear more like buildings. Not all the windows need to be filled in. Lines both thick and thin can serve as windows too. With crayons or chalk, add sky colors to the back of the buildings. If you are using chalk, rub it sideways around the tops of the buildings and then use your finger to spread the chalk upward and outward. Now you have a patterned cityscape. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseum@home.